activity of Senator Bato, papayag siya gano'n. In fact, very active siya sa mga Senate hearings concerning Bucor. There's nothing wrong with it. Of course, the final decision rests on Senator Bato. Presidential prerogative yan eh. So, Pangulo lang talaga nakakaalam nun.
And for the record, Senator, yun ang possible na-reappointment ni Barroso sa ibang position sa gobyerno.
Again, presidential prerogative din yun. Di natin pangunahan dahil the President knows what is good for the country. So, as the Chief Executive, hawak niya yung poder kung sino yung gusto.